I told my dad he's so happy.
You know what you're gonna do next time?
I shared it with John.
You know what you're gonna do next time?
What?
You're gonna show me how to make that pork, the
The pork
cracker.
belly. Yeah, the pork belly. Yeah.
You want to flip it?
The cracker.
I was just
Flip it again. Didn't we just flip it before?
it should be cooked good now.
Oh, the fish is swimming.
It should be ready now.
There's 2 boxes of eggs. So Chinese guy on. Oh my god. Come closer. Are you scared of me?
He wants to get closer.
This, not my face.
Okay.
Is it ready?
Throw in the leaves now.
That's the gailan, right?
All gailan. Yep. Because once the beef looks like it's nearly cooked, throw it all in. Yep. And just cook it.
Oh my god, smells so good. Do I look like a professional?
Yes. It's chopstick.
You know Chinese use chopsticks?
Really?
too?
I don't.
Don't you think it's really cool?
No,
What do
they
you
do.
use?
I don't use it. I just use my stirring thing. Whoa.
You didn't see that. No, because if it's my dad, he will just like keep flipping it. But I'm not strong enough.
Well, keep on doing that. You're doing very well.
Thanks for the encouragement.
Okay, so do it so the leaves look like they're a bit more cooked.
This is so much fun. You should do a cooking class.
I'm happy to teach. It's fine. Okay, so that's actually enough because the leaves are wilted. Push
Okay.
it all to one side. Push it all to the side. Okay, you need to break. Normally it's 1 egg, but you got a lot. You got double the amount this time. Break it in the middle. Another one. Okay, and then just let it sit for a bit. Wait till you see a bit more white. Okay. Start breaking it up. Breaking up the egg, but don't mix it yet. Don't mix it yet. Just break up the egg. Just mix it like that. Yeah.
Jamie Oliver.
Okay, and now mix. Yep, once a little bit more, and then mix in the vegetables now. Mix everything in now.
Woohoo! Oh my god, this is so much fun! Scott, you totally missed it. Professionally. How come it's so much work, so moisture?
Yeah, you have to get the flame a bit higher, I think, because the beef is starting to cook. But that's actually okay because the eggs all mixed in.
Yeah.
Empty it out. You have to empty out the wok now.
Okay.
We're cooking the.
Alright, Jen, you can stop now.
Oh,
No.
Yeah, if you need to put it down a bit lower so the flame actually hits the oil. Inside, it has to go inside.
Come inside, come in!
So that it touches the oil.
Come in! No,
No, it's not doing
it's not happening. Not this wall. Okay.
Okay, so once the oil's hot, a bit hot, throw that in. I think that's fine. It's a bit warm now. Throw it all in. Start stirring. Yep.
Hold on.
Because that's already softened because of the microwave. Start throwing
Yeah.
in the sauce. Throw in all the
Sauce
sauce.
now?
Yep.
Wow!
Stir
This
fry.
is so
Stir fry.
Hey, a lot of oyster sauce left in there.
So try to mix it in then. You have to cook it till the noodles are a bit more cooked, because it's a bit more, feels like it's a bit more burnt. You want it a bit burnt-ish. Because it's meant to be like char kway teow, just a Thai version of char kway teow.
Huh?
You know char kway teow, the Singaporean Malaysian dish? Is the flavour okay?
It's not. No. It's not sweet enough.
Yeah, more sugar, because you didn't have Kecap Manis.
I think there's a lot of shit in here. More sugar?
Yeah, more sugar.
I think we need more sugar.
Because normally you use Kecap Manis.
It's not sweet enough for sure.
Remember before?
Your hand!
Remember that's why I was asking, do you have Kecap Manis?
Yeah.
Kecap
Yeah.
Manis is sweet, that's why.
Yeah, no. Now I know what you're talking about.
You have to keep tasting it and see if you like the flavour. And then adjust it. More sugar?
No.
More?
I
Yes?
think that's enough.
Okay, if that's a bit more.
That's very soft already. You need
Yeah,
more?
throw it in. Once it's a bit soft, throw the meat in.
Wow.
Next time you do it with Kecap Manis, it'll probably be a lot better.
Yeah, I'll get that next time. No one's going to eat hot pot anymore then. This is so good.
Well, we don't know because you're the only one that tasted it. But at least you know what the basic sauces are now.
Yeah. The only thing I didn't feel is the sauce.
Yeah, but I can send it to you. And that's it. You're done.
Is it?
Yeah, that's it.
Oh my god!
It's very easy. It's a stir fry.